Amigos. So, you ready for part 2? Oh, here it is. That is though. That's stupid. So I'm just straight up gonna tell you what this lab's about. Basically, the purpose of this lab was to help you gain personal experience with two-dimensional motions and to illustrate the ways that objects move in 2 dimensions. In other words, it was just a complete waste of time. I'm just kidding, don't film me. So before we get to the lab, we need materials. What you're gonna need is a timing device, like a phone, a stadium you don't have, and a pair of balls, baseball and tennis ball. So let's get started. So what you're gonna have to do is go to the stadium and have one of your humanoids with a pair of balls go on top of the stadium and drop those balls. Then the rest of your humanoids in your group should be recording your data and your video and should also be timing it. Then after that, repeat the process. So part 2 of the lab. Here's where the fun begins. Get ready, grab your balls, because you're about to throw. As hard, as fast, as high, as far as you can. But before we get to that, I'm going to show you how hard you should throw it. How much force you should use. This involves science and stupidity. So what I have here is a barbecue sauce. I'm very intelligent enough to know this would not hurt me. If I decided to hit myself, it would not hurt. That being said, let's see if that's true. I promise you I will not sustain any damage to my brain. That's a guarantee, because I'm David. Let's get started. I just want to point out that my brain was already severely damaged before I even busted it open. Moving on. Ow. So, for the second part of the lab, you're basically just throwing the ball as far as you can, as high as you can. And recording that data while someone is recording you and while someone else is timing you. That's it. Example A. Oh. And example B. Jesus, Mary Christ. Mom, there's a hole in the wall. Chop, chop, Mom. The wall's not gonna fix itself. I swear, my mom's so lazy sometimes. So you do that one time, with each ball. That's it. So basically, that's it. So I decided to answer one conclusion question out of my choice. Alright. And here's the question. Number 4. What conclusion can be made about the motion of the ball in both parts, I and II, in relation to gravity and vertical velocity? That's a good question. Pass. Let's go with a simpler question. Let's go with number 3. When you throw the ball in the field, what variable could be adjusted to make the ball travel at an ideal height and distance? Now that's also a good question. I don't know. And that concludes my video. I'm Dave Rio, and I approve this message. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys. Nah.